There's a project inside Vistacana that so many of us have been eagerly waiting to see take shape, and that project is Arco. Limited to just 128 exclusive units across 4 levels, Arco is estimated to be completed by early 2027. And it's not just about timing, it's about location. Arco sits directly in front of Vistacana's illuminated 9-hole, 3-par golf course, giving you unmatched views and atmosphere. I've got aerial footage to share with you today, but before we get into that, I want to present something very special. A penthouse unit that has just become available. This residence offers 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, plus a private rooftop with jacuzzi, the perfect setup for enjoying Punta Cana sunset in style. The main level measures approximately 947 square feet, while the rooftop adds another 431 square feet of private space. It comes fully outfitted, every bedroom with a furniture package, a living room set that includes a TV and air conditioning units in every bedroom, and a complete kitchen with stove, oven, extractor, and fridge. Residents will enjoy 2 swimming pools, a children's playground, a fully equipped gym, underground parking, valet parking, landscaped green areas, barbecue zones, EV charging stations, and more. Of course, this is all on top of what Vistacana already delivers. 2 man-made saltwater beaches, pools for adults and children, restaurants and bars, the equestrian center now open for horseback riding lessons, a sports zone under development, a business center, an upcoming shopping center, Ashton School already in session, and so much more. Now here's where it gets exciting. This penthouse was currently priced at $320,000 if you buy it through the developer. But the owner, one of the first to purchase an Arco, has had a change of plans and is highly motivated to sell. That's why this gem is now available for just $215,000. That's over $100,000 in savings. And opportunities like this don't wait. Now is not the time to think about it. This is the time to act. At just $215,000, this penthouse is a once-in-a-lifetime deal. Call or text me today at 809-223-8416 or email me at info@propertiesbymasters.com and I'll walk you through the payment terms. I'll be waiting to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy these videos, make sure to subscribe. It costs nothing. And by hitting the notification bell and selecting all, you'll never miss a video. Also, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with others so they can benefit from this incredible opportunity. And when you get a chance, follow me on Instagram at Properties by Masters and visit my webpage, propertiesbymasters.com. See you in the next video.